Hey babe, how are you? Did you see I'm trying to learn how to floss? Let me just get in here with you. I brought you your favorite snacks. I got your Poppy Strawberry Lemon, and I also made you Cinnamon Toast Crunch donut from scratch. Smell it. Oh my God, it's so delicious. Anyway, how are you? I was sitting here waiting. I was like, I'm gonna bake for him, get him his favorite drink. I have your favorite tune set up, ready to go on the playlist. I have the seat all clean for you and ready to be my passenger prince. Are you ready? We've almost been together for 2 weeks. Can you believe it? 2 weeks? I can't believe it. All my friends and family said I was crazy, that, you know, I would scare you away, but here you are 2 weeks later. Okay, I'm sweating. Mwah. Babe, just relax and lean back. By the way, do you think that I'm cuter as a Honda girl versus a Subaru girl? I used to think that, man, I was all Subaru the rest of my life, but then I got a Honda and I was like, I already knew I was a Honda girl at heart, but now that I have a Honda Civic Type R, it's like, now I'm really a Honda girl, right? But now you're a Honda boy too because you're my passenger prince. By the way, do you love me?